Hey guys, Ray here, and I wanted to make a quick video showing you a new product called Genie Pro. Now let's try that again. Hey guys, Ray here, and I wanted to make a quick video about a new product called Genie Pro. Now the reason I wanted to show you this is because while I'm known mostly for video, I'm actually a graphic designer, and believe it or not, I actually got my start online on Fiverr doing covers for DVDs and books and boxes and things like that. And the only reason I stopped doing it was at the time, Fiverr didn't have all the upsells they have now, and people started to get a little bit too demanding when they wanted a 3D object and they wanted me to design the whole thing and still do it for $5. And so I kind of gave up, but I did have a business that actually created these covers, and it was pretty successful for quite a while. And I absolutely love software that creates these 3D product images because I've seen graphic designers sell these things for $50, $100 a pop. And when you see how easy it is to create these things with the right software, you're going to be absolutely blown away. And as you can see here, Genie Pro, over 150 3D covered designs to choose from. This is what sets it apart. Very nice designs, pre-made covers and things like that. And I'll show you what I mean by that. The other thing that sets this apart right now is that it is currently in launch mode. And so you can get this for $37. The tool that I currently use cost about double that, and the other one that I used before that cost $69 a year. So this is an incredible price for what you're getting out of this. And you can see right on the sales page here, these are some of the designs that they have in there that are built in, and then these are some of the things you can create. And I'm going to show you the inside of this right now because this is what really set things apart for me. You may remember not that long ago, there was another product that came out that really did a great job with creating these 3D product images. It was a little more expensive, had a lot of great designs for the covers, but what it didn't have was a whole lot of different designs to choose from as far as boxes and DVD covers. So they had a lot of great designs to put on the boxes and on the reports, but they didn't have a lot of boxes like this one does. And you can see this one's got a variety of different books. It's got a variety of different reports you can add your graphics to. So this is where this one truly shines, is all of these different options that the other program didn't quite have. Even though the other program was fantastic, I don't want to put it down in any way. It was a little more expensive, had great designs, was a great piece of software, but this one has more options for what you can put your designs on, which I really love. And of course, it's on sale right now. You can get down here, you got cards, you've got editorial prints, okay, so this is like your brochures, packaging, okay, this is something that is not in most products. A soda bottle, spray cans, supplement bottles. This is huge because I do a lot of stuff that requires supplement bottles. And now I can actually create my own. So I'm really excited by this. Wine bottles, food cans, large cans, milk cartons. I mean, that's just really cool. You've got product bundles built right in, so you don't have to pay extra for these. And then here's the thing that really sets this apart, which I was really blown away by. Check this out. Realistic Mockups. Okay? So you can actually, if you've got a book cover or whatever it happens to be, you've got these realistic mock-ups that you can put these into. This is awesome. And I have not seen any other product that has this. Yes, you can go to a website like Graphic River and you can get mock-ups and do them in Photoshop, but to be able to do them right like this in here, that is awesome. So let's do a little demo of how this works here. I'm going to go back to the main page here, and I'm going to hit Create New Project. Now you've got two options here. You can use a blank template, which would mean if you've got templates on your computer already, or if you've had somebody design a cover for you that you're going to put onto the 3D object, this is what you would use as the blank template and you'd upload that. Or you can use a design template, which we'll do in this case. So I'm going to click on this. We're going to choose what we want. I tend to use the reports quite a bit, so we're going to choose the report, and I'm going to hit Next Step. And you can see here we've got all these different designs that are already built in. Okay, and they come with the images and the text and all that kind of fun stuff. And so let's say that our report is, it's going to be this one here about cash, turning your blog into cash. Okay, so I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to hit Next Step. And you'll see that now it opens it up here. We're going to save this. I'm going to call it Next Step. And we're going to start editing. Okay, so now we have our graphic opened here on the page. And what we can do is we can come in here and let's say instead of blog, we're going to turn our video into cache, okay? That's a little bit too big there, so maybe what we can do is maybe we can move it over a little to fit it in there, something like that, okay? And so you can change any of these things in here. So you could change the cache, you could change the actual graphics, you can change the name here. So the name is going to be Ray Lane. Okay, so any of this stuff, you can also change your background image. Okay, we can move this around if we needed to. So maybe we want to see a little more of the reflection. Maybe we want to see a little less of the reflection. Anything like that can be done. And once we're done creating all of this, all we have to do is hit export. And you'll see it opens up here with our 3D product image. We can actually download the 2D cover if we want by clicking there. But in this case, obviously, it's mostly about 3D covers. So we can also change the size here. Right now, we're at 985 by 1000. If we want to change that, we can. So let's say we wanted to have an extra big one here. I can go 2000 by 2000 if we wanted to, something of that nature. Okay. And then we can download that when we're ready. So we just click download. Oh, before we do, you can also choose to put a color in the background if you want, or leave it transparent. And when we're ready, we're going to hit download, and you'll see when I do that, it's going to open the preview here inside of the web browser, and then we can just save that image out, use it on our websites or in our videos or whatever we want to do. I love to put these into my videos, especially if we're going to have a click for a free download. So that's an awesome way to be able to do that. Now let's take a look back here. You'll see the next step is here, and the other ones that we've done are here as well. I'm going to create a new project again, and this time I'm going to choose the design, and this time I'm going to choose the realistic mockups because this is, again, where I really think this stands out. And let's choose this one here, and we're going to hit next step. And so now we're just going to choose what this is. So let's say YouTube traffic secrets. We like that. And we're going to hit next step. And we're going to call this YouTube. We'll just call it that for now. Hit start editing. Okay, so now we can come in here and we'll just minimally change this. We'll just change it to Ray Lane. And we'll just leave it at that. So now I'm going to export this again. And look at that. There's our mockup. How easy is that and how cool is that? You've now got an image where your product is inside the iPad. It's also inside the MacBook Pro there. And very, very professional, ready to use right on your websites. Just this blew me away, the fact that they had this and that it's so easy to use. And I hope that you can see why I love this product. I highly recommend that you check this out. Again, there are other products on the market that do very similar things, but I think this has a great combination of one, this very low price right now. Regular price is $97, so you're getting this at a great price. And the fact that it has a lot of different types of 3D images that you can add these to, and the fact that they have the pre-made designs in here as well, make this an absolute 100% best buy. Great software. I absolutely love it. Definitely one that I am going to be using quite a bit. And of course, we've got some great bonuses that include a whole bunch more of these nice mock designs here that you can upload using the blank template. So you'd mock some of the ones that we have up in Photoshop and then upload them as an image afterwards. And of course, as always, if you have any questions about this or the bonuses or anything else, hit me up on Facebook. I'll be glad to answer them for you. But in the meantime, check this out because this really is a top-notch product that you can do a lot of great stuff with. You can even start a whole new business designing covers for people because it's that easy to do.